Hello guys, in today's video I will share with you the live results I got with my Forex trading strategy during the months of January and February of this year, 2024. I will share with you not only the trading journal with all the raw results, but also my personal ones by adding some fundamental and risk management rules to show you some ways of optimizing your trading. My name is AlgoTrade Pro and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. So, for those new here, this Forex trading strategy was created on the series ATP NFX Forex Strategy, where in each episode I analyzed and tested different trading indicators with different functions to show you the step-by-step process of our profitable trading system should be created, and also to create a free Forex strategy that all of you can use for free. This strategy achieved efficient and stable results for the past 10 years, and on the 2023 forward test, it maintained its robustness, giving us an average of 16% profit per year by taking only 8 trades per month. All the videos with all the proven results are on my channel, so check it out to learn more about this strategy. And so, since the strategy passed on all the robustness and forward tests, I decided to put it into practice in another new account to show you the real path to achieve success in trading. And I created this new account with my broker XTB. XTB is the broker I also use to build my portfolio for stocks with 0% commissions. And with them, you can also trade assets across any market you wish so, from Forex to crypto, equities and commodities, with some of the lowest spreads and swaps you can find on the market nowadays. And the best part, without any commissions, which puts XTB on the top brokers nowadays. As you can see on their website, they don't have any commissions for Forex, for crypto or any other asset, which is perfect. And so I created this new real account and made a deposit of $500. If you'd like to see the step-by-step on how to do that, you can check this video on my channel. And so, after some days, the account was ready and I started applying this strategy. The trading capital was not very high for some reasons. First, for this passive strategy, this amount is enough to have some margin by using a 2 to 3% risk per trade. Second, my main goal with this account is not to get huge profits, but instead to show you, especially if you are a beginner, all the whole process of open, adjust and close a trade, it's done. And third, and the most important, I am doing this to show you the real results about trading Forex, because in reality, the results I am going to show you are the real ones you will have when you start, and not the 100% profit every week as some fake traders announce. And so, this type of videos will be important to motivate you and show you the right path to success. And with only $500, I think I can work with an amount that all of you can use as well. If you like this new video concept, don't forget to show me your support by subscribing and liking this video. So, during the first 2 months of 2024, I applied this strategy on this account by spending about 10 minutes per day to do it. Because, as I told you, this strategy is highly passive. To know when to enter, I used my trading bot with this strategy, but I didn't take every trade and I didn't close some positions when the bot said so, because, as I explained in the 7th episode, Forex trading is the most difficult market to trade, and so we need to conciliate our technical system with fundamental analysis and some deleveraging tricks to decrease our overall risk. And so I applied that concepts in this strategy, and I will start by showing you the differences. During these 2 months, the bot achieved a net loss of 3.44%, which is acceptable since at the moment we are in a normal period of drawdown of about 12% that we know by the past results of this strategy that can happen sometimes. But here is the best part. By conciliating the strategy and signals given by my trading bot with fundamental analysis and risk management techniques, I was able to achieve a profit of 2.73% in the same trades and period, which is not too much, of course, but it is much better than the bot signals by themselves. I will briefly give you an example of these techniques, but before that, I just want to add that with these improvements in fewer trades, I was able to have more profit, a bigger risk-to-reward ratio and profit factor, and the best part, a drawdown value much lower. While the technical system is in a drawdown of 12%, I am with a drawdown of 3%. And for me, this is the most important factor. As some of you know, besides my YouTube project, I work with 2 different prop firms as a portfolio manager. And for them, the most important thing to control is a drawdown. And the only way to do that in Forex is with these techniques. So here on the NZD USD pair, we had 2 valid trading signals, one in January and another one in February. Regarding the first trade, it was opened on January 15th, the same day the AUD USD trade was opened as well. And so, one of the extra risk management rules I use says that if we are going to enter into trades where one currency is the same, we should use half of our risk in order to decrease the overall risk to a specific currency, in this case to the USD. And so I did. As you can see, it was a good trade since the next day the price reached the take profit 1, where I closed 50% of the position, and then the second position was closed some days later on the trailing stop loss. Everything went well, and the only difference was that I used half of the risk. And so, in this trade example, you can see how the deleveraging risk management technique was applied. Then, on the second trade, which was taken on February 21st, I entered the position with the full risk, but then I knew that on February 28th, major news regarding the NZD were going to be released, namely the official cash rate and the rate statement. And so, if my position wasn't protected with the stop loss on the entry point yet, I knew I had to close it. Some days passed and the take profit 1 was not reached. And so, at the close of the candle of February 27th, I closed the position with a small loss. On the next day, due to the high impact news, the price went down and the stop loss was reached. But, due to my fundamental analysis, I was able to have a smaller loss instead of a full one. Of course, there will be times when probably I will close a trade due to economic news and then the price reaches the take profit after that. But from my past experience, by using this method, you will be able to increase your profits and consistency in the long run. Another thing I forgot to mention is that I use the Forex Factory website to make this fundamental analysis. And so, in the same way I handled these 2 NZD USD trades, I handled all my other trades, and you can see the difference between the theoretical and the real results. And as I told you, I have been applying this strategy with these extra rules on my new XTB trading account. And now the best part, I'm sharing the exact trades I make with all the alerts in a new group on my free Discord community. As you can see, every time I enter in a new trade, I tell you that in the group. Every time I make a change or close a trade due to some economic event, I also tell you with prints from my account, as well as all the entry points, stop losses, take profits and trailing stop losses. Of course, this is not financial advice, I am just sharing everything I do in order to give you a kind of practical education. This group is absolutely free, I am not charging anything. But in order to maintain some standards, I am not accepting everyone on it. I want to help you, but only if you are available to learn and to get a step further in your career. If this is your case and you want to learn how to finally trade like a professional, send me a message to this email, telling me a bit more about yourself and your experience, and let's discuss if this opportunity is the right one for you or not. By being accepted to this group, you will receive alerts like these ones to know when and where I am taking a trade, with the respective risk management, as well as all the conclusions from my fundamental analysis. And as a bonus, I will also give you free and lifetime access to the trading bot with this Forex strategy, as well as the other strategies from my trading portfolio, being them the crypto strategy I created in this series and the stock strategy I'm creating in this one, all of them for free. So, if you think this is for you, send me an email to this address. Before ending the video, I would just like to add that for those who sometimes mess up in calculating the lot sizes for trades, with XTB you don't have any problem with that. As you are seeing in these clips are recorded during February, by inserting the entry points and stop losses, you can see exactly how much you are risking in that trade, in round numbers and percentage. And so, you can increase or decrease the lot size according to your risk profile, and you will always know exactly what is at risk. XTB does all of that work for you. And that's it. Once per month or every 2 months, I will be showing you the results I am having with this Forex strategy. And you already know that if you want to join my new channel to know exactly what I am doing and trading every single day, just send me a message. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to help me continue to bring you this type of unique trading content. Be well, thank you and bye bye.